Hello everyone and welcome back, and yeah, new video, new clips. So yeah, let's just dive in. The first clip, we're gonna see the Ukrainian special forces yet again being pretty smart, because we've seen they're using these commercial drones to drop munitions, right? Now we're gonna see a clip where the Ukrainians are they're using commercial drones and making homemade suicide drones. So yeah, let's just take a look. It's fucking awesome.
Ти літаєш в сині двері?
Залітай, да.
Четверта хата, сині двері.
Бачиш сині двері?
Да.
Є!
Є,
бач? Не взірвався? Та йобнуло нахуй, добрий день, блядь! Добрий день! А ну!
Я в них залетів.
Да?
Да, я в них.
бачив? Да.
Я в них тупо залетів. В двері, пацан.
I fucking love how smart they are, you know. And you could actually see that there was several Russian positions in those houses. And yeah. Okay, so we're moving on. Now we're gonna see a cluster of Russian troops, and they're either being hit by, I'm not sure about this, but they're either being hit by a Switchblade drone or a drone dropping munitions. I'm not sure, but you guys can take a look, and if you notice anything I don't, let me know in the comments. So let's take a look. To me, it really just seems like, if you see from the right corner down to the left, it seems like something, it's coming in a degree, you know, like 30 degrees or something. So yeah, moving on. So in the footage we're about to see next, it appears to be Russian SAM operators, and they're taking down a Ukrainian drone.
Может, беспилотник. 81 молоту, 81 молоту. Есть АЭС, беспилотник, четко в топ вижу. Есть АЭС, азимут, 147, дальность, 2,6, высота 1000. Блять, походу наводчик, только что по нам отработали, разрешите? Где за потек, сука? 81 молот. Принял. Все, ведешь? Все, смотри на него. Крышки открыты, все открыто. Пошла жара. Все, снимай.
Есть попадание, прямое.
Попало, раз нахуй. Красавчик. Видел, Радик, ты вез...
I really don't like to see too much Russian success, but I still feel obligated to post their clips as well, so I post everything I get my hands on. So yeah, people, like and subscribe. Por favor. It's gonna help me out and it's gonna help other people out to see what's really going on down there. And yeah, like I said before, several clips every day. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you all for watching. And yeah, peace out.